Hey there, welcome to eMade Wellness Hub. If you've been searching for a natural and effective way to detox and achieve a flat stomach, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the secrets of detoxing to help you look and feel your best, without extreme diets or crazy workouts. How to detox for a flat stomach, tips, tricks, and recipes with eMade Wellness Hub. Step 1. Hydration is key. Start your day with detox water. Simply infuse water with slices of lemon, cucumber, and a few sprigs of mint. These ingredients help flush toxins, reduce water retention, and boost digestion. Drink this throughout the day, and your body will thank you. Step 2. Add a detoxifying green smoothie to your morning routine. Here's my go-to recipe. Spinach, cucumber, ginger, half a green apple, and a splash of coconut water. Blend it up, and you've got a gut-friendly, nutrient-packed breakfast. Not only is it delicious, but it's also amazing for reducing inflammation and improving digestion. Step 3. Move your body with gentle stretches or yoga. This helps reduce bloating and improves circulation. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference in supporting your detox journey. Remember, it's not about intense workouts. It's about movement that feels good for your body. Step 4. Eat clean whole foods. Focus on meals rich in fiber, lean protein, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, excess salt, and sugary drinks. They can cause bloating and slow down digestion. Trust me, your stomach will thank you for this. And finally, be patient with yourself. Detoxing is not a quick fix. It's a process of loving your body and making healthy choices. Stick with these steps, and you'll not only see a flatter stomach, but also feel lighter, happier, and more energized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holistic health tips from eMade Wellness Hub.